All right. So be aware if there's any background noise. I'm doing laundry. It's Saturday, but I wanted to show you this. So, um, before I flip the cards over, I just want to walk through the layout I used. I pulled 3 cards. As you can see, I also had to pull clarifiers. I wanted to keep it really simple because I wasn't looking for exact answers or predictions. I just wanted to compare the energy of a few of the timing options that actually work for my schedule. So I picked 3 positions. 1 is the weekend daytime, 2 is the weekend evening, and 3 is the weekday evening. So those were the 3 windows of time that made the most sense for me and my schedule. And instead of asking the tarot, when should I do this, I asked, what's the energy like if I choose this time? And I think that is an important distinction, because if you get people wanting to know timing of things, instead of it being like it'll be this time and a number or a time frame, it could be more about the energy of it. And then it's also not a yes or a no, right? Although some cards show up that you can definitely know it's a yes or a no. So let's start with this first card for the weekend daytime.